Hello guys. In this video, we'll be completing the hands-on challenge from the unit Create Formula and Roll-up Summary Fields. This is the last unit in the module Improve Data Quality for a Recruiting App. So first things first, we'll be creating a formula. So to do that, let's jump into our Trailhead playground. And let me quickly resize this. Okay, so we'll be creating our first formula in the object review. Let me quickly jump into our object review and click on Fields and Relationships. We will be creating a new field. Let's select Formula as the data type. Our label is going to be Overall Review Score. Let's populate this label, and our return type is going to be a number, but the where decimal place is not matter for now. And let's insert our formula by copying and pasting it. So here we'll be getting the text from core competencies, experience, leadership skills, and recommended for hire. Okay, so I guess we'll be taking an average of the fields which are collecting from. Once we have done that, let's click on check syntax. Well, we've got no errors, so let's go ahead and save them. And save it. Next, we'll be creating a roll-up summary fields. So we'll be creating them in the object job application. So let's head back to our object manager and find our object job application. Let's go to Fields and Relationships, click on New, and let's select a roll-up summary. So the roll-up summary is going to be number of reviews. So click on Next. And here the summarized object is going to be reviews. And the count as, let's select reviews. And let's select count as the roll-up type. Select all records should be included in this calculation. So that's by default. And let's go ahead and save it. There is nothing to change in this profile section. Next, we'll be creating a second roll-up summary. So again, the summarized object is going to be reviews, and the roll-up type is going to be the sum. My bad. And the field to aggregate is overall review score. And again, make sure this is checked. All records should be included in the calculations. And let's click on Next. Next. Save and New. The next field we are going to create is a formula field. So let's select formula. Let's copy paste our field label. And the return type is going to be number. Let's copy our formula and paste it. And let's check for syntax. We do not have any syntax errors for now. So let's go ahead. Go Next, Next, and save and New. So we'll be creating another formula, which is going to be a review indicator. So let's copy review indicator and let's select formula. Let's go ahead and paste it. So the return type over here is going to be a text. So let's select text. Let's copy our formula from the challenge. Once we've done that, let's check for syntax. As there are no errors, let's go ahead and save it. So now we have created all our fields. So the next thing is to move the new fields to a candidate rating section on the job application page layout. So we are in the job application object. So let's go to page layouts to do that. Let's click on edit. So add a new section to the page layout by dragging section from the palette to below the information section. So this is the information section. So let's drag a section to below the information section and name it as candidate rating, where this is going to be a one column layout. So let's select that and click on OK. So to this we'll be dragging the number of reviews followed by total review score and average review score followed by review indicator. But that's all for this challenge. So let's go ahead and save it and check if you've done something right in this challenge. That's perfect. See you in the next video. Bye bye.